Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can delete a blank page in your MS Word document. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And yeah, this is how you can do it. So first up, in this video, I'll show you this by adding a blank page. As you can see that I have created a blank page. And I have written hello on the first page and the second page is blank, but I will show you how you can delete this blank page or remove it by two easy methods. The first one is directly by clicking backspace by taking your cursor on the top of the blank page. So make sure that it is on the top, and once you're here, just click on backspace and there you go. The page will be deleted. You can see down here there is only one page that exists, but I'll show you this again by using another method. So as you can see, I clicked on enter, so there are two pages now again. But if you want to delete the blank page using this method, click on view and then check the option which says navigation pane. Once you're here, click on pages, and as you can see there are two pages, and let's say this is the blank page or any other page for that matter. Just click on it and click on delete. That's it. Again, we are left with only one page and we have deleted the other unwanted page. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.